Hey everyone, this is Mr. S from Sunnis Academy, and this is going to be the checklist for 4th grade mathematics while we are all stuck inside for COVID-19. You can try to get through these topics here with your son or daughter at home. First and foremost, get through division completely through long division, as well as through division with a 2-digit divisor. That means a 3 or 4-digit number being divided by a 2-digit number. Of course, you can also have a 2-digit number being divided by a 2-digit number. Next is geometry, lines and rays, angles, polygons, parallelograms, all different types of shapes. This is a pretty fun lesson, especially for students that are used to doing just number work for the last few months. After that, you want to make sure that we continue with fractions. I usually like our 3rd graders understanding equivalent fractions and understanding how to go back and forth between equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing across numerators or denominators, but try to get through adding like fractions, adding unlike fractions by getting common denominators, comparing fractions to see which are greater or lesser than, and then practicing fractional parts using division. So having the student understand that 5/6 is the same thing as 5 divided by 6 and showing that visually. And then finally, decimals. We want to make sure that they understand the difference between decimals and fractions, how alike they are. When you're going back and forth with these, make sure that you're teaching 5/6 as a decimal is 5 divided by 6. Make sure that they understand to put the decimal in the proper point and to add zeros afterwards, and the fact that decimals go on as far as they need to go on, and make sure that they understand that fractions always have a decimal counterpart. Practice for this would be doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division problems for fractions and for decimals. The multiplication and division is usually held off until 5th grade, but I personally think that subtracting and adding are more difficult. So do whatever you see fit, but make sure that they understand the differences and the similarities between decimals and fractions. That should be everything you have to do in mathematics while you are stuck at home because of this virus. If you have any questions, make sure that you email us directly at info@sunnisacademy.com, or just go online and look at our resources or look at our journals for any of our pedagogy if you need help at home. Okay, good luck.